All right, we are ready to start Heat 9, lane number 1, Damn Dragons. In lane number 2, Hong Kong Police Force. And in lane number 3, Philadelphia Dragon Boat Team. And away they go. And they're having a quick start. Lane number 1, Damn Dragons. Lane number 2, Hong Kong Police Force. Lane number 3, Philadelphia Police Dragon Boat Team. Lane number 1, good timing in lane number 1. In lane number 2, we have Hong Kong Police Force